Excuse me, are you Jack McCullough?
Yes, I am.
According to our records, you haven't been to your mailbox in 17 days?
Yeah, I've been pretty busy studying for this test.
Right, Miss Bills, letter from your grandmother, Miss Bills, letter from your father, mother, and some more Miss Bills.
It's hard for us millennials to continually check our mail, especially when your email has become so efficient. You can just click your phone and all of your email is right there. But trips to the post office or your company's mailroom takes time out of your schedule. And plus, you might only get junk mail in your inbox when you do get there. Well, my name is Christopher Rodriguez. I'm a student at Louisiana Tech University, and I'm enrolled in the Honors Engineering 122 program for the spring quarter. And my team and I decided to fix this mail problem with the automatic mailbox. Now, this mailbox reads the sender of your mail and sorts out all of the junk mail. And if the mail is important, it'll even send you a text message. And to put icing on the cake, you can even send an email to our mailbox's address so you can reply to physical mail without ever stepping foot in a post office. We combined electrical and mechanical engineering to build the conveyor belt and general structure of our mailbox, and then we programmed it to read mail and interface with the internet using concepts from cyber engineering. All this was done using techniques taught to us by Louisiana Tech University Engineering Program. Check it out. I think you'll like what we have. Go Bulldogs!
My name is Harold Cox, and my team's the one that designed the automatic mailbox. It's really simple to use. The mailman, in this case, we got a letter from Champ the Bulldog. So he would just have to put it on the conveyor belt, hit the start button, and the conveyor belt turns, and then that flips a switch which stops the motor. After the Raspberry Pi process, it takes about a minute. Not only does it tell you that it's good mail, but it also sends you an email of it. It also sends you a text message too. Also, our mailbox is smart enough to know when you get junk mail. In this case, it's from McScams. He acts normal, puts it on the conveyor belt, hits the start button, and the Raspberry Pi will process that as junk mail. As you can see, the Pi processes junk mail and disposes of it properly.
What's up, guys? I'm Jack McCullough from the third member of the team, and I'm going to show you how you can send out physical mail using your email along with the automatic mailbox. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over here and compose an email to the mailbox itself. And our subject will be reply. That's what it's encoded to know as a reply. Start. That'll start the address. And I'm going to send this to our grandmother at 123 House Street in Camden, Arkansas. And then I'll hit end to stop the address. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go over to this attachment, drag that over. We're just going to send a nice little letter to the grandma. She sent me some cookies the other day, so it'd be nice to thank her for that. And all you do is hit send. And now what's happening is this printer prints out the envelope, which will have the label and the return address and whatnot. You see here, grandmother, 123 House Street, Camden, Arkansas. And over here, we're going to have printed is my letter to grandmother. There we go. It's easy as that.
Some of the specifics of the build is we have this gear motor right here that is attached to these paint rollers by these rubber bands. We have this wheel system, and we have the rubber band in between these two. We put these cardboard circles, that way the rubber band doesn't fall off of the Gatorade top. And then as this turns, these two turns, which cause the conveyor belt to roll.
Our gear motor is powered by a 12-volt source that goes through this relay so we don't blow our board. There are two flyback diodes and a transistor which also complete this circuit. We also have a button for our circuit. When you press it, it completes the circuit. When it's not, the circuit's empty and can't be processed. We also have a whisker switch up here. And when it's pressed by this flag, it alerts the Arduino to know that the whisker has been pressed. Also, up here we have a servo. And the servo runs through the Arduino to determine which way it turns.